and down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the lights now. I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in that time. We fall in love. Either the sunsets and paradise. Taking a turn on the blind corner, that too with a Wagoner. Idiots. Another. You get to see all these kinds of people on the road. I don't understand, when people take blind corners, don't they have the fear of any other vehicle just coming at that moment? I think 4 or 5 times before taking a blind corner. The second time my head says no. I stop there. Never take a blind corner if you don't see forwards. If there is a blind corner where you can't see anything, but across the road, across the mountain road, if you see another like a vehicle incoming, then never take a corner. And only if the front vehicle gives you an indicator for a pass, only then you take a corner. Otherwise, stay in your lane, stay by the vehicle.